Hi, it's Gary again. Today myself and the team are over in Burwell erecting a brand new industrial unit for Lynx Court development. On this project, SDM have done the design and are now erecting 8 new units for our client. There's already a few units on this industrial park, and now we're here extending it and making space for new businesses to move in. We started this project on Monday, and thanks to some great weather and a lovely clear site, we've been able to get most of the steel up already. We've got just a few more sections to finish off, ready for SDM safety netting and scaffolding to come and get the building ready for the roof. Today's been a bit of a tricky one. The weather has changed slightly and the wind's picked up, so we're having to be a bit more careful with the steel when we lift. But having SDM crane driver here, Charlie, we've still been managing to get on today and make some good progress. We've got quite a few of us on site today. Myself, Shay, Ewan and John have been focused on the steel, while Joe, Tom and Campbell have been focusing on going round and installing the cold roll ready to attach the cladding to. The main contract on this job is Lynx Court Developments. They've been great to work with, really relaxed, and they've been helping us out with everything we've needed. They've been keeping the site nice and tidy for us, which has helped us out massively. Thank you for watching. Look out for more updates from this site on social media. We'll see you again soon.